Hey guys, welcome back to Project Garage. We're back here at Hudson Stables. So I never want to come off as an expert. I think that was really important to establish early on in the series. I am an auto enthusiast. I've been involved in a variety of projects, but never to this degree of building a custom vehicle like Winston here. So I think it's really important to introduce you to some of the people that are helping me make this happen, like my good friend William Cooper here at the stables. He is instrumental to getting Winston up and running and installing all the suspension components and that sort of thing. How's it going?
Hi.
We're pretending, we're shaking hands. We're pretending that we don't know each other, even though we know each other pretty well. We're on a WhatsApp chat talking about the car pretty much every day. So, and I apologize. We're talking like what, 8 o'clock every night?
Yeah, we have a good time.
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
Very casual.
Music inspiration, photos of cars we like, and Winston. So, William, you've been really working hard on getting this car up and running. It was sitting for a few years. By the way, how's it doing this week?
It's doing pretty well. It's in a decent mood this week, I'd say. It's kind of been giving me a headache. I've been tracing down some brake problems with the something. Douglas says he's not an expert, and I'm actually blanking on what this thing is called, the hydraulic boosty pump. But I'm missing a relay for it, and I can't seem to find it. It's somewhere in this warehouse.
Well, this car's been sitting for a little bit, and occasionally, because it was sitting in the back of a warehouse, people would pull parts and fuses and relays off of it. So, you know, as we got this thing up and running, we would find it was just missing parts. So it's running really well, thanks to William. You got like the fuel system going. Yep. The fuel cell back in it. Yep. The brakes.
The brakes do work.
They work.
Yeah.
But my 1966 Mustang with no power brakes feels better than this thing. I mean, you really have to push your foot down on the floor. So clearly there's something wrong with the power booster. And we have some warning lights on the dash. So
yeah.
The ABS computer. Yeah,
and that's associated with the ABS computer. Basically, on the C4s, they have a different ABS computer than the C2s, and the price difference is it's wild. Like, we were looking, trying to find an ABS computer, and we found that on eBay. They're like $1,600 or something ludicrous, and I was like, well, we can't use a C2 computer, which are worth like $100 on eBay.
Yeah. So having an all-wheel drive 911. Apparently, the ABS computers are way more expensive. So anyway, had to bite the bullet and ordered a new used one. And so one of the things we're going to do today is, with your help, we're going to install that thing. Yeah. So
we're going to try and install it. And bear in mind, I think we're missing a relay still, so we're probably going to still have some like errors on the dashboard. I'm hoping that an ABS light and the four-wheel drive light turns off, because I think those two systems talk to each other.
Okay.
Through the same computer, yeah.
All right, well, anyway, and also last little bit after this, we're gonna go over some of the new cool parts that arrived. And finally, after 2 months of waiting, our last parts of our off-road suspension from Elephant Racing are coming in, and we're gonna actually be able to install the off-road suspension kit soon. So that's pretty exciting. All right, so let's get into installing that ABS computer.
All right.
So here's the thing. By the way, I hope you guys like this nice, really good hood stick. So yeah, this is the interesting thing. We have this beautiful, new, very expensive, used ABS computer, and we're going to plug it in, and the concern is that we're making sure that it doesn't blow up.
Yeah.
Okay.
The old computer had an unknown fate. We don't know why it failed, so this is kind of an unknown.
Wish us luck.
Yep.
No, yeah, let's do it. Let's unplug the battery.
Okay.
I would say,
we shall unplug the
battery. The battery has been unplugged. Okay, so I'm gonna put my phone in here so you guys can see the moment of truth. There you go. Okay. So do you want me to do you want me to be the one to do this so that I'm blowing up my own ABS computer?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Like
so this guy goes there. Yep.
So basically, put that slot right there first.
Okay.
And then it comes in at an angle, and then just crank it down.
Okay.
Make sure that.
Yep. Let's not break the pins.
Yeah.
Okay. It's in there.
Okay. So now pull up this little container,
Ooh.
that little retainer clip.
Yep. Okay.
And then you can use that clip to cinch down the entire plug.
Okay. All right. All right. Apparently the pins on this are very sensitive.
That's it.
It is in. So now we're going to reconnect the battery and then make sure that it's not going to blow up.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to do the honors or shall I?
Yeah, go for it.
He's on camera. There's evidence. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Once again, this one relay that we're missing, I think it's supposed to be doing something right now, but it's not because it's not there.
Okay.
The only thing that we can anticipate is the dash lights either staying on or going off somehow.
Okay.
We don't know.
All right. So yeah, let's turn the car on. All right. So we put the ABS computer in. Nothing blew up. Battery's connected. Now we're going to lift this thing up a little bit and roll the wheels, make sure we see if we can get the error lights to come off, and yeah, go from there. All right, here we go. All right. Car's going up. Car's going on. All right, am I going to roll it?
Yeah, so put it in gear.
Okay.
Let the clutch out.
All right. First gear, clutch is out. Wow, that feels strange.
Yeah, right.
So now the car's running. Hold on, I'm pushing the brakes. It's thumping. It's making thumping noises.
Oh, it's doing ABS things?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I don't know if that's good, but I'm pushing my foot down on the brake.
Yeah, I see it.
And
Feel the pump.
yeah, well that's good. I mean, so
Oh yeah, the pump's working.
pump is working. Wow.
Oh
Okay.
God, it sounds terrible.
Yeah, that sounds bad, but
Sounds pretty bad.
yeah.
I think it's because
But actually the brakes feel a million times better. The brakes feel,
no, the anti-lock light went off, dude.
yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me put it into gear. Okay. And then the clutch out. The wheels are rolling. And I'm gonna hit the brakes. And I'm getting actual like brake feel.
Feedback on the pedal.
Yeah, I'm getting feedback on the pedal.
That's fantastic.
And it's actually pumping a little bit. So that new ABS computer worked. Oh my God. Yeah! Now William is in there and he's trying to feel the brakes. Feels good, right?
Yeah.
Actual brakes.
Yeah, they're doing the ABS things.
So William tells me that 964 brake systems are known to developing, as he says, crud in the ABS system. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have to do a brake bleed, but it feels a million times better. There's actual pressure when you push the brake pedal down, and the ABS warning light is off, and it was thumping like an ABS system should. So. So that was a pretty successful trip. Now I have an ABS system. Some more warning lights are off my dash. I consider that all in all a successful Saturday afternoon. Before I go, I wanted to share with you a couple of cool parts that came in. This is actually really awesome. So you saw a previous episode that we have our steel wide body fenders that have to get welded on. But most importantly, we also need turbo bumpers, and those aren't really easy to get your hands on. I don't know how I managed it, eBay, but it was a miracle. This is an OEM front bumper, meaning this was a factory turbo front bumper, never used, still in the box from the early 90s. Incredible. It was not cheap. but a worthwhile investment. It even came with a whole box of original Porsche lights, fog lights, turn signals, reflectors, rubber pieces, and all that. It's a pretty awesome deal as far as I'm concerned. And here's a fun little bit of trivia. My rear bumper. So this is interesting. I got this fiberglass rear bumper built by Getty, a reputable manufacturer of Porsche body parts. And what's interesting is this is actually a leftover prop bumper from the new Transformers movie that's filming right now. So apparently there's a 964 turbo in the Transformers movie in production right now. And this is, Winston's gonna have a Transformers bumper, which is pretty silly, but awesome piece of trivia. Fun little anecdote. This is what happens behind the scenes when I'm filming. This is what I'm looking at, is William on his one wheel.
Yeah, now I'm gonna fall off.
I'm too afraid to try that thing. I have actually bad balance.
I would recommend, do you ride skateboards ever?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm also doing this the wrong side, right? I'm supposed to be, oh wait, no. Jesus.
So you never ride skateboards? Okay, so.
No, I ride skis. I've done snowboarding a little bit. So, okay. Whoa, all right, cool. All right, here we go. All right, Doug, don't lean. Here we go.
Use your hips.
Yeah, I got hips.
There you go, there we go.
I got hips for days. I'm moving. Woohoo! Ah! Oh my God. Anyway, so we made some progress. Thanks to William for letting me throw him on camera, poor guy. And we have a lot to do, but I think we've gotten a lot done. So coming up, we're gonna have probably the rest of the off-road suspension coming in and may start installing that very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Dancers unite.
Yeah.
All right.
Lord of mercy.